I have the Wantable Thanksgiving edit, so if you want to see what's inside, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit are off doing other things, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out, and if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So last week I ordered the Thanksgiving edit because there was $31 off. So if I get one item in here, I'll get the styling fee off and the $31 off. Wantable is sending you now previews, and you can choose the 7 items that they send you. So I did choose everything in this box. If you choose less, they send you a ton. So I feel like there was maybe 16 options. So if you choose less, they'll just pick things for you. And I don't know, let's just get in this box and see what's in here. All right, so here is a little preview of what's inside. It's thick because there's lots of sweaters. I don't think I chose any pants. I think I just chose sweaters this time around because I wasn't really interested in the pants in the preview. This first sweater is by Z Supply, and it's got a little bit of an open weave, so you would need to wear something underneath of it. By T and Rose, we have this long cardigan in kind of a light chocolate. By West Key, we have this little top that would go under, you know, some nice cardigans or a blazer. I do have a black blazer, so when I selected this, that was my thought. By 78 and Sunny, this is a little higher neck than I expected, but it is a pullover sweater. It does have some nice detailing on the sleeves, but that neck I don't think I'm going to enjoy. By Thread and Supply is a little shirt similar to what I'm wearing, which I do enjoy, but I had wanted in maybe a different color, but this was the color that I got from Stitch Fix. This is a different brand. It is different, but it's a similar style, so I chose that because I like that style. By Molly Bracken, we have this little cardigan. Now, this was pretty because look at those little buttons. And I don't know, I just thought those were so pretty. The sleeves do have an open knit there, so it could be a little chilly for winter weather. And then by Horizon is this teddy bear style, I don't know if it's a cardigan, kind of like a jacket. It's very heavy, it's very thick, and it does have some lining inside. I'm not sure if you can see that, but I did think it was a cute pattern and it looked like it was nice and warm and cozy. We do have a bag to send everything back in that we're not going to keep. All right, I'll be right back. All right, so here is the first item. It's that longer cardigan. I was looking for a longer cardigan that wasn't super bulky, so that was what drew me to this. This is the Soft Touch Sweater Cardigan in Copper Brown. It is by T and Rose, and it is $58. Now, everything in this box was something that I had on my stream as something requested, except, again, just one thing. All right, let's try on something else. Okay, so here is that green shirt, and it's nice and cozy. Really like the feel of it, like the color of it. This is the Lewis shirt in Heather Foliage. This is a size medium by Thread and Supply, and it is $66. Little pricey for what it is. I think that one was in the $35 or $45 range. This is thicker, and a nice green, but again, I think it is a little pricey, although if it is the one thing I keep, I would get the $20 styling fee plus the $31, so I would get $51 off. So that would make it kind of reasonable. Let's try on another cardigan. All right, so here is that cozy jacket. Again, it has nice lining. It's very warm and cozy. Love the print. Love that it's blue and green. So very nice. This is the Yukon Sherpa jacket in deep forest plaid by Horizon, and this is $80. And I did get this in a large. Could probably, they give jackets to me in a large, although that could probably go down to a medium if it were the item that I decided to keep. All right, I have 2 sweaters and that little top that I need to try on, so I'll be right back with those. All right, so here is that kind of faux wrap top, camisole. So it is sleeveless. It is rather low cut, so you're definitely going to need a camisole underneath of that if you want to be at least work appropriate. This is the printed knit cami in baby blue, size medium by West Key, and it is on sale for $36. So probably the most reasonably priced thing in here. And again, I had chosen this so it could go under. I have like a black blazer and a blue blazer that I had gotten from Thread Up. So I thought that would be a nice thing to go underneath of it, because I've kind of moved away from floral patterns, just kind of got over floraled. All right, let's try on those sweaters. Here is that first pullover sweater, and on the model I really liked it. On me, I don't like. I do like the kind of puffiness down here. I never like it up there, but I just don't think it's a good look for me. This is the Asheville striped sweater in Rosebud, size medium by Z Supply, $89. So I'm kind of glad that I don't really care for it. All right, let's try on another one of those sweaters. All right, so here is that cardigan with the pretty little buttons on there. It does have that open weave on the sleeve. And I don't know, it's cute. I like the little buttons, but I think it's something I could probably live without. So this is a definite no for me. This is the eyelet sleeve knit cardigan in cream by Molly Bracken, and it's $76. So glad it's a no. It is a little itchy too, I will tell you that. So as much as I like the cute little buttons, I can honestly find buttons like this and probably replace them on a cardigan that I already have and won't be so itchy or so expensive. All right, one more sweater. All right, and here is that final sweater. And you know, I do like the sleeves, but I don't like this, just like I knew I wasn't gonna like it. And I don't know, when I saw it in the picture, it didn't look like it was that high, but to me, I just can't have anything that high on my neck. It just itches and makes me feel confined. And let's see, this is the marbled cable sweater in Chai, size medium by 78 and Sunny, $69. All right, so the total price for the box is $474. The keep 5 plus discount, if I kept all 7, would be $94.80. However, this I'm definitely not keeping. The little eyelet cardigan with the little hearts, I'm not keeping that. And what else am I definitely not keeping? I'm definitely not keeping the pink sweater. So I'm gonna have to look at the other items, decide which of those that I wanna keep. And you know, the cami is a nice price, so I may keep that in addition to one sweater, but I'll have to see, you know, watch everything and see how everything looks. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and be kind to one another. Hopefully, I'll see you soon.